Jacaranda Day is celebrated at the college every November under the Jacaranda tree, and various charities come to our school and we listen to their exceptional stories and how to make positive change in the world.
This day represents the heritage of our Pymble commitment to service. One of my fondest memories of being a Pymble girl is sitting on Gloucester Lawn with all the girls, and we come together and we sit and we listen and we share our stories and what we give back to our Pymble community.
We have an incredible guest speaker with us this year, Mrs. Raj Ram, who has served at the college from 1970 to 2000 as a dedicated science teacher and was the founder of Jacaranda Day as a day of service.
What is important about giving back is the opportunity it provides for our girls to embrace different experiences, to try new things out and connect with a whole range of people.
To us, Jacaranda Day is an important day of giving back to our community and what it means to be a Pymble girl.
For indeed, blessed are those who give, for they shall receive even more.
Mrs. Ram integrated Pymble's core values with the beauty of the Jacaranda tree.
And her vision has continued to blossom amongst our students.